Hello, welcome to this session on understanding the string data type in Python. String plays an important role in working with textual data, and Python provides powerful tools to handle them efficiently. So in Python, a string is a sequence of characters enclosed in either single quotes or double quotes. For example, hello Python. You can enclose hello Python string in single quotes or double quotes. Strings can be used to represent names, messages, sentences, and much more. In Python, there are various operations and methods that can be performed on strings. So, these operations and methods provide us with powerful tools to manipulate, combine, extract information from strings. So one of such common operations is string concatenation. So we can combine two or more strings using the plus operator. For example, if you have strings say hello and Python and you want to concatenate them to form string hello Python, then you can use plus operator. And another useful operation is indexing, which allows us to access individual characters or substrings within a string by their position. So we can use these square brackets along with the index to retrieve specific characters or substrings. Okay, and additionally, slicing. This slicing is also a powerful technique to extract a portion of string based on the range of indices by specifying the start and end indices. So you can specify start and end indices, end index being exclusive, which means that index character is excluded. We can obtain a substring from the original string using slicing. And to determine the length of the string, we can use this function length function, which will return the number of characters in the string. So this can be helpful in various scenarios such as validating if the input length or iterating over each character in a string. And also there is another function called str which can be used for conversion, like if you want to convert other data types to string, like you want to convert integer to strings, you want to convert float to a string, you can use string str function to convert from other data types to strings. So let's see working of these strings using some practical examples here. So the first character of a string has index 0. Remember, so first character, this is the first character of this string starts with index 0. So say now this is an example like how if you want to store strings, you can use double inverted commas or single inverted commas, double quotes or single quotes. Then string operations. Say you want to concatenate these two strings, greeting and this string. So you can use plus operator. So and I'm adding a space in between. So if you see hello Alice is wonderful. So if you want to access the first character, so you can use indexing. So here I'm trying to access the first character. The first character of a string has index 0. First character, index 0. What is the first character in this string? Is A, right? Then slicing. So you want to slice this string. So here we are accessing characters from 1 to 4. 4 being exclusive, which means from 1 to 3. So what are the first, second, and third string characters at this index 1, 2, and 3 are LIC. So now we can also access strings characters as a range. So excluding the first 3 characters, so we want all the other characters. So starting from the third index, which is starts from C, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. Third index is 3 here. So third index 3 is C here. So it starts from C and it print all the characters till the end. So if you want all the characters, if you don't want all the characters from the beginning and you want the characters till the third index, you can use this slicing like this. And if you can find the string length. Like I said, the string length of a string, this function length gives the string length. So this string has 18 characters. Conversion. Converting from integer to string. So str, then you pass this integer and you convert. You see it prints the string. This is actually the string value instead of the integer. And you want to convert from float to string. You can convert from boolean to string, true. What does it print? True here. Converting from list to string. List is another data type. We will discuss this later in other future classes. And again, if you want to convert tuple to string, tuple is also other data type. So this was all about working with strings and string data types.